got a problem here. My son got this in his tire pretty long. It was almost all the way through. I tried pulling it. God dang, you can see how long that is. And that's not even flush with the tire. I tried pulling it and then did a plug, but I can still hear air coming out. So I'm gonna learn how to pull a tire on one of these. Never done it before, so we'll see how that goes. I don't have a stand for that thing, so I am gonna rig this up here. I'm gonna try to put the bike in between here, take the bench out, and then basically put the back of the bike up on the barbell so it can sit high enough for me to be able to pull the tire. Alright, initial plan didn't work. Improvised. Had a milk crate. Threw on a milk crate. Nervous about it tipping over, so I got some ratchet straps. Time to get started. That spacer in here. Note that. Alright, change of plans. Found a shop that can change out the tube today, and it's pretty darn cheap. So got it off the bike and gonna go get it swapped out, come back and then put it back on. Alright, actually called a local motorcycle shop and asked to see how much they would swap the tube out for. I had just ordered all the tools to try to do it myself. But it looked like it was going to be a really big pain. Price was pretty cheap. I just had to take them the wheel and about $40 for the labor, and then the tube was right around $14. So total came out to about $54 and change. Time to put it back together. Alright, so that spacer's on there. Got this small guy gonna go on this side here, and then we can try to bolt everything up. Alright, gonna get it off of the crate and the ratchet straps now and go for a little test ride. Gonna check the air pressure before I go for a ride. I know usually they air it pretty high when they're trying to set the beat, so just to be on the safe side, I want to check it.